My name is Keith Chaney. I am a 2011 graduate of Kettering University. My major was industrial engineering. I'm co-founder and CEO of a software platform called PIBO, which is short for Personal Advisory Board. I actually started the company while I was still working at Google full-time. I have a lot of autonomy, which is very important to me. I get to set my schedule and really kind of work on my own terms, which sometimes is light, but for the most time is pretty hectic, but I enjoy it because it's mine. Next in my career, hopefully, is a rapid growth and scale of the business and potentially an acquisition by one of the bigger players in tech. I chose Kettering for one, being that it was in my hometown. I'm actually from Flint, Michigan, and so I was able to stay close to friends and family. The most important thing I learned at Kettering, both in the classroom and in my co-op, is that it's not always about how smart you are, but it's about the relationships that you're able to build and the community that you're able to build around you. I remember my first assignment at General Motors. I was very intimidated by the task that I had, but what I learned was that, just something as small as buying donuts for the guys on the line every week led to us having a real relationship. And that skill set of building those relationships at all levels in a company have really served me during my career. I think what makes a Kettering student is an appetite for challenge with stepping out of your comfort zone. I think for a 17, 18-year-old to recognize and opt into another path that is non-traditional, it just sets us apart from the rest of the pack. I think that people sometimes limit Kettering. I think it's known as an engineering school, obviously, and the skill set that you develop here is so versatile that you can really do whatever you want once you've gotten through Kettering, because it doesn't get much harder. And so with me, I went straight to B school. I know people who went into consulting and never worked a day as a traditional engineer, but they had all the tools that they needed to excel in other areas. I would say that if you surround yourself with a quality community or support system, not only can you make it through, but once you graduate, you will be able to pretty much write your ticket.